Why the price went down even though Trump elected as US president for the United States. This is madness because the price already jumped 50%, guys, then went down. Because we've got one thing happened after the market opened. Everybody knows the haltation. This candle, guys, broke everything and killed the buyers and the squeeze. Exactly right there. We're going to discuss if we're going to have a different scenario by tomorrow or not, because we've got one level for the short seller to cover, and this is might ignite the squeeze once again for DJT. So hit the like and subscribe, guys, because we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And today we already discussed many stocks, guys. We discussed the swing trade for today, LYFT, which jumped over 30% and hit the 1876 precisely for our swing trade that we did for our elite hunters on our Discord and Patreon. As you can see here, before the market closed by 2 hours. And of course, this stock went up and went down after that, after the market opened. Of course, we took our profit right around the level that we predicted, 1880. And we said yesterday 1876. So those swing trade, guys, we do it for elite members. If you want to have access to this swing trade that we do almost once per week or twice per week, depends on the volatility and depends on the setup, you can join us here on the elite level. And of course, if you want to have one swing trade, not 2 or 3, you can actually join the king level, because here you can have access to 7 a.m. Eastern time pre-market, which is 2 hours 30 minutes before the market open, and our Discord and Patreon. The link in the comment section below. However, for now, what we should expect for DJT, because right now holding over our support that we discussed over the 28. Yes, we have the 27, but at the 5-minute, guys, this is really important. At the 5-minute, we don't have a closing candle below the 28. So this is really important to hold and never have red 5-minute candle below the 28. So as long as we hold over the 28, there's a chance for a reversal. Let me just show you again, there's another trend going on here. If you remember, last time we discussed DJT breakout was here around this descending channel before even the election. And of course, we already discussed DJT before the election, right there around the 4th of November on Monday. And guess what? We spotted this breakout and entry before the huge squeeze. And of course, we hit the 43, 49, and almost 57. And now we have the same scenario, but right there after the election. So what we should expect, look at that. This channel have to be broken, guys. And you see, we have 2 tests here and 2 tests from above. Here, 2 tests, and there, 1 and 2. So we have a balance between the short sellers and the buyers right there, guys. That's why we said there's still a chance for a squeeze, because we have 2 tests from above, 2 tests from below. We waiting for the 3rd test from above. Look at this level, guys. This level, by far, the most important level that we should break for DJT at Friday at the market open. This is by far the most important thing. If we have it in the pre-market, yes, hallelujah, will be great. However, if we have it at the market open, will be even better. And we need to get halted up this time, because last time, guys, once the market opened, that killed the buying pressure, it was here and this candle. The price went up, short seller added, boom, we went down and halted twice. That's why DJT been dead and went down. However, for now, we have another shot to break this level. Where exactly? Around the 32, guys. $32. You see, before we have the 40 or 39.50, now we have the $32. Why the resistance changed? Because the short seller added their position and we getting lower and lower and lower. But for now, the $32 is where the short seller have to cover first. So we have to break first the channel, which is really bearish right now. This channel is bearish. That's why the buying pressure is slow. After we break this bearish channel, we're gonna have another buying pressure, the same that happened here once we broke this channel that been trending down for sometimes, let me just show you, since the 9th of October until the breakout happened on the 4th of November. So almost 1 week. Let me just show you here. Almost 1 week of consolidation down. Here, let me just check how much we've been here to there. We've been just 1 day, guys. 1 day for the consolidation. So we might consolidate for 5 days, 3 days. It depends on the buyers, of course. So it's not set for 1 week, 2 days. We got a lot of question from you guys. When Jesus we gonna break? When we do this? It's not depending on me. It's not dependent on you. It depends on the right buyer. The right buyer who buy bulk, buying by millions of shares for DJT. So we're waiting for this buyer in order to give us the confirmation. The confirmation for the buyer came in for DJT and bought the dip is by breaking the 32. If we still consolidating, it means the buyer is not there yet and we can do nothing. That's why for the trading guys, it's patience game. And let us clear something else. Last time we said it is the last dip for DJT if only if we held the 32, but we didn't. Look at that, we broke. So the same here. Don't say Jesus said the 28 and Jesus, you were lying. Why the price go down? A bot here, a lost faith on Jesus. No, don't tell me that. Here we have a statistic and we have probability of something happen. So we have a support. Yes, technically right now is the support is 28, but if we broke it, it means the short still added their position. I can do nothing about it, guys. Unless I just open my bank account and pour 1 billion inside this support, and yeah, the price will go up after that. But I'm not doing that. So the idea here, we need insider who actually buying in DJT to make it go up. This is it. However, seeing the buyer is impossible because usually the buyers, the big money maker, they buy in the dark pool. And if you don't know the dark pool, you go on Google and you know what's the dark pool. Dark pool from just the name, you think is dark. No, it's not dark. It means it's hidden. The transaction is hidden and you can't see it. Nobody can see it. So if someone tell you or broker tell you you can't see, it mean they are scammers. So I'm just telling you the truth, guys. Nobody can knows when the buyers, the right buyer, the big buyer, the whale buying. So we only have our levels. We have to wait. This is it. It's kind of when you actually have the numbers for the lottery, and you just wait for the numbers to be shown on the TV and showing the winners. Before that, you can do nothing. The same for everything in life. If you have an egg and you're waiting for the egg to hatch and have a chicken, you can't make the process faster. You have to wait for the egg to for the chicken to transform from the egg to the chicken. You have to wait. There's a process. I don't know how long like the little chicken come out from the egg. I think it's 30 months, 30 days or something. Anyway, you get my point here. There's a process. The process here for us, if the egg is right now is there as not hatched yet, and we don't have the chicken. Once the price go up is me, we're gonna have the chicken and the chicken will fly and go toward the 39. And here we're gonna have a BBQ and maybe we gonna eat the chicken. For now, we only have an egg. If you want to have an egg, yes, you can eat an egg. It's good, but it's not good meal. So you have to wait until the egg transform to the chicken, then from the chicken transform to bigger chicken like what is called the other one, ostrich or something, and then you can eat it there. You know, it's like barbecue. You have a good meal. So it depends on your patience. If you don't want to wait, then eat the egg. If you're gonna wait, then eat the chicken. Otherwise, if the price go down, it mean the egg broke down, and of course we're not gonna eat. So this is life. Depends on your perspective. Either you're gonna eat the chicken, or you eat the egg, or you eat nothing, because the egg will be broken because someone stepped on it. So this is the story of trading, a story of life. There's some misfortune, there's something will happen But in the time being, in the meantime, we have to wait for this to happen. But again, there's always the other scenario, which is breaking the 28 for DJT. So when I say, guys, we have a support and we don't break it, is mean it's good. If we broke it, is mean we can control this because the short seller added their position and the price will continue to go down. For now, we're still holding, is mean there's someone still buying, and we're still in this channel that been respected our levels. So by tomorrow, guys, if we broke the 32, hallelujah, just put alert from now for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna go live and trading DJT and other stocks as usual. So join us, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future updates, and of course, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.